koutou, ko Olivia ahau. My name is Olivia.
And more Ratu Winton School, ko MAECY ahau. My name is MAECY.
Welcome back to the N.E.W.S news for Ratu, the 12th of June.
Right on to te kupu o te wiki.
This week's word is
Whakaute. Whakaute means respect.
on to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is low. Stay warm, Winton School.
On to today's notices.
Reminder that there is band practice today at lunchtime in the hall. Make sure you are set up and ready to rock.
Junior Kapa Haka is in room 5 today at morning tea.
Calling all scientists.
That's me.
Are you interested in entering the science fair this year?
If you are year 5, 6, 7 or 8, you are able to enter.
Come along and register your interest, or you can enter in a group.
If you have some science wonderings, like maybe how clean are our local creeks, or what flour is best to make pizza, or what product gets paint off our uniforms, or which body part makes you go faster on a skateboard.
If you think you would like to investigate your science idea, meet Mrs. Collett in the library at morning tea today, please. On to birthday news!
Happy birthday to Ella in room 3, who had a birthday in the weekend.
Happy birthday to Maddox in room 5. And also happy birthday to Cayenne in room 3, who have birthdays today.
We hope you guys have a great day. Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo!
Harera and see you tomorrow.